What's up guys, Vic Vengeance here. Welcome back to the 30s channel. Today I'm gonna meet up with the homie G-Raw. We're gonna be upgrading our headlights. So this will be a two-part video because my headlights will not be ready today. We're gonna go meet up with G-Raw because he has his lights already. His are messed up and mine are messed up. We decided to do this video. So we're gonna go to his pad and work on his car first. But before that, how about a little cold start? Look, we have furry visitors today. The little robbers. But first, coffee.
Okay, what can I get for you?
Can I have a grande iced coffee? That first sip of coffee though. Keto coffee. Well, those of you that are keto, you can buy keto coffees at Starbucks. Hey, what's up, fool?
What's up, bro?
Those be 4 shots. The new ones right here. Damn. Black housing and everything. Legit as fuck. So you guys saw we're at G-Raw's house and we're gonna start taking out the old lights and putting in the new ones, and hopefully it's a simple swap and plug and play. So we'll show you guys the entire process. So right now there's just one bolt that has to come out. They should have 3, but this one only has 1. Yeah, the whole thing came out.
Sweet. One up.
One up. Chingadera.
Yeah.
Ahí está. Out with the old. Yeah, I know. It's a pooch.
Yeah, you remember?
Yeah, I remember this fool.
He was all cold this morning, so I had to throw on his
Oh, little sweater.
little sweater.
Hey. Alright guys, so right now we're just assembling the new lights. Pretty much just gotta put in the new bulb that goes in here, and then put on the new ballast. Pretty straightforward. And from there we'll just put it back on the car. Should look nice.
I'm assuming like the black's gonna go with this, and then this one's gonna go to. Yeah, I don't know what's gonna go to what.
So right now we're just gonna figure out which cable goes to which, and then test out that they turn on.
Yep.
Legit.
Good.
Alright guys, so the wiring is a little bit different, and we turn on the lights and only that one turns on. So we need to figure out how to wire it so that it works normally. So we're gonna do that right now. Alright guys, so the wires, the plugs don't match the OEM plugs, so we're basically cutting into the wires so we could connect what's supposed to be right, and we're hoping that we're doing the right thing. All right guys, so we wired up the lights, we plugged it in, and right now we're just gonna check if they turn on. So moment of truth, and hopefully everything works how it's supposed to. So right now it's just mocked up, it's not bolted down. Just want to see they turn on. Go ahead. Sheesh! They fucking work. Legit! Legit! Dang! Let me see your turn signal. Woo! Shit works too. How do you feel about that?
I'm excited as fuck. I could drive at night.
Finally! Man! Alright guys, so you saw they actually work the way we tapped into wiring actually work. They look really nice. So right now we're just gonna bolt this one back down, do the same thing to the passenger light, and then we'll put the car back together. See you guys in a little bit. Check it out, guys. Finished product. Put it back in. Assembled. They're looking bright as fuck. I'll tell you, it wasn't easy for sure though. Look at that. Woo! It's good. It's good. It's really good. Alright guys, so as you see, we finally put the lights together. It was a bitch to put together. We had to figure out which wire to put into which for the OEM harnesses and everything. And it was hard to find out, but we figured it out. So right now what we're gonna do is just we're gonna put everything back together. We opened up a bunch of stuff that we shouldn't have, but we're gonna put everything back together, put the bumper back together, and then show you guys how it looks complete. Good. Sheesh. Mean mugging. Very nice. Look at that. Scout. How sharp they look. Very nice. Woo. Just fire. Alright guys, there you have it. That was the installation for G37 headlights. They weren't that easy to plug in. We really took almost half a day to put them on, but we were able to figure out all the wiring, all the lights work how they're supposed to, signal lights work how they're supposed to, fog lights, everything works perfectly. So like I said, this is a part 1 of 2 video that I also have to do my lights. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the next vlog. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already, and then we'll see you guys on the next one. Later guys.